Subscribe to Magic Mango Vlogs, like and share my videos and click on bell icon. Hello, hi everyone. Follow me on my social website links in the description. Welcome to Magic Mango Vlogs and this is our vlog. Today I am going to share you all-time favorite mango recipe that is simple, easy, creamy, delicious mango custard pudding. Mangoes are everyone's favorite fruit as it is very sweet and very juicy. This is the summer fruit and the mangoes are available in the season now. So to enjoy these mangoes, we need to try all the different recipes by using this mango. So then why late? Let's get started and check out the mango dessert recipe. So here are the ingredients we require for this mango custard pudding. To prepare this easy, simple, delicious, creamy custard pudding, we require a half liter of milk, 1 cup sugar, 2 big ripe mangoes and custard powder mixing bowl. So for this mango pudding, we require the mango pulp. So to prepare the mango pulp, we need to take the ripe mango and we need to peel the skin in this way. So we need to remove the skin completely. So in this way, we need to peel the skin like this. After peeling, we need to cut the mangoes into the cubes. So I will show how to cut the mangoes also. So here is a mango cutting. So after cutting, we need to blend it. After blending, we'll get the mango pulp. So we need to cut with a sharp knife so that you get the perfect cubes. So in this way we need to cut the mango. You can see horizontal and vertical cuts of the mango. Add the pieces. Blend into a fine paste so that our mango pulp is ready. So here is our mango pulp. Now we need to take into the mixing bowl. So mango pulp is prepared. So we need to mix this mango pulp with the custard milk. I will show you later. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of custard powder, then mix it with water or milk. Then mix it well without any lumps. So we need to prepare in this form. So after getting, this is used to make the custard pudding. Take a vessel, add half liter of milk to that and now boil on a low or medium flame. You can see the boiling of the milk here. So in this way we need to boil the milk. So after boiling, then we need to add the custard. Already we have prepared, so that one we are going to add now. So after adding the custard, we need to mix it well continuously. So all the process of mixing should be done on the low or medium flame only. So we need to stir it continuously. We need to be very careful. So we need to stir it without forming any lumps at the base. So usually when we add custard, the milk is getting thick and it is going to be form some kind of lump at the base. So you need to be very careful. So that's why we are mixing it well. So we need to stir continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the milk is getting thick. So I will show you consistency. So in this consistency we need to get. So after getting like this, we need to add the sugar. So 1 cup of sugar is added. So after adding the sugar, again we need to mix it well. We need to stir continuously without forming any lumps at the base. So we need to be very careful after adding the sugar also. We need to stir until the sugar dissolves completely into the custard milk. So in this way, we need to boil this custard milk for 5 minutes. After stirring, then we need to turn off the stove. In this way I have taken out. Then we need to cool this custard pudding completely. So after cooling, we need to add the mango pulp. After adding the pulp, we need to refrigerate for 5 to 6 hours completely. We need to cool it. Now to this creamy consistency, in the next step, we are going to add the mango pulp. So this creamy custard is going to become the mango custard pudding. In the next step, we need to transfer all this creamy custard mango pudding to the mixing bowl. So we need to shift all the content in the another bowl. So then this bowl is going for refrigeration. So I am keeping in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours and cooling it completely. So in this way I have kept. After 6 hours, I am going to take it out. So in this way, our mango custard creamy pudding is prepared. You can take a look here. How beautiful it was. Then we need to mix it well, completely. After mixing, I am going to add the mango pieces. I am adding mango fruit as it is a mango custard pudding. So we can add any kind of fruits, not only mango. So not only the mango, we can add any other kind of fruits. If you add all the mixed fruits like bananas, apples, strawberries, whatever the fruit available with you, it becomes the fruit salad. So there is a small difference between the mango custard and the fruit salad. So in this way, after mixing the fruit, we need to go for the garnishing. I'm going to garnish this with the cashews and kismis. So not only the kaju, we can use badam, pista and walnuts. Even the tutti frutti and cherries also used for the decoration. It gives a rich look for your garnishing. So I'm using only kaju. So in this way I have decorated. Finally it was done. So how beautiful and rich look it is having. You can take a look here. So garnishing depends upon your creativity. So it's time for serving. So in this way I'm going to serve along with the mango fruits. So hope you like this video. It is really very delicious, simple, easy and mouth-watering recipe. Everyone should try this. Thanks for watching my video.